The markets in the day mixed. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It is Thursday, August 13th, 2015. And the markets overall in the day mix. However, small caps doing the poorest, down 0.31%. However, in the face of that, banks doing the best, up 0.5%. Precious metals are down. US dollar up a fraction. Here we are, looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the spider, and you'll notice I put in a horizontal line based off the apex of this symmetrical triangle coming across. You can see that that's where we closed. We went higher, we went lower, and we closed here. And that's where we're at. So the markets, long as they remain between these two trend lines, will just be a choppy mess. Furthermore, as long as they remain between these two blue lines, I wouldn't be looking to go long, nor would I be looking to go short. I need a breakout, a decisive breakout to the upside for going long, a decisive breakout to the downside to go short. And right now I'm flat to market, meaning that I have no positions going because there's too much technical indecision taking place. I do know that we remain below the 20-day moving average and within the confines of two symmetrical triangles. For those of you who were not with us yesterday, I want to show you something that's of great interest. There's a horizontal line coming across here that encapsulates all price action to the upside. And that line is at 213.77 on the spider. Furthermore, I did the same lower line support level, and it puts us at 197.87. What is of interest to me as a technician is for nearly 1 year, the last time we were outside those two horizontal lines was almost a year ago, October 30th, 2014. Now, since that time, price action has remained in a trading range between those two lines. And right now we're in a symmetrical triangle. I'm looking for a big break to the upside or downside. And when that happens, it's going to be significant. Now we are so overextended on the monthly chart, and I'll show that to you here, that I know that we are begging up. We're begging for a pullback. We need a nice pullback down here at about 180 or so. Nice pullback. And I think that that time is pretty near. I think we're going to get our pullback, and I think it's going to happen sooner than later. And that's something that I'm watching. Here's a weekly chart. Coming up. Now we're rolling over, almost a head and shoulder type reversal pattern on the weekly, and looks like things are getting ready to drop. So that's where we're at. Now, if you like my analysis, like the video. If you love it, share it. And like always, make sure you subscribe. Join us. We'll catch up with you guys later.